Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove the keys on the Corsair K70 keyboard and give it a good clean. Now this is a mechanical keyboard and the keys are very easy to remove. Actually, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to remove some of these keys right here. Now a lot of these keys I have already removed because it can take quite some time to remove all of them, so I have removed most of the keys. I have left some keys here just to show you how easy it is. Actually, you don't need any tools. They do have a tools that you can pull out the keys, but you can see here if I just use my finger, I can just pull out just like that. It come off pretty much just like that. So you kind of grab it and then pull up. It come out super easy. You can see right there. I just need to grab it and then lift it up. Don't even need to use any force at all, maybe a tiny bit of force, but not that much. And then just take the keys out. So you have to do them one by one, unfortunately, but it won't take very long. And you can see here, once you have removed all the keys, you can give your keyboard a good clean. Now in between here, there are a lot of dust accumulating. You can see right here there's a little bit of dust, and you just need to get a rag and give it a good clean. So here I just get this rags right here. You can also move the spacebar key. They can be a little bit tricky. You need to hold on both ends and then pull it out. It will come off, and this is what it looks like underneath the spacebar key, and this is what it looks like on here. And so we're just gonna get a rags and give it a good clean. So it's not that hard. So sorry about the dogs from my neighbors. And yeah, so we're just gonna get a rags and give it a good clean like that. Up here as well. Just go gentle and go easy on it. Give it a good clean slowly and clean out all the dust. And yeah, shouldn't be that hard. The keys are super easy to pull out. So I'm just gonna give it clean up here as well. And once you have cleaned on the keys on the keyboard, you can then clean all the caps here. There's quite a bit of dusty on the side, so just clean them one by one. And once you have finished it, you can place it back on the keyboard. They're quite easy to place it back on. Just have to push it down like that and it will come on. You can just take it off like that and then put it back on. And here we can put on one by one. And then we've got the F key and the F2 keys. You should hear a small click, and that will click onto place. So that's how you can remove the keys to clean your Corsair K70 keyboard. Now this is the more high-end version, MK2. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.